Okay, so timing for Olympia. Yeah. Oh, we have our first alert. Oh, that didn't go off.
This watch includes the following counties in Washington, Lewis, Pierce, and Thurston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be limited,
First ever SVA.
alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 65 has been issued until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Lewis, Pierce, and Thurston.
So you didn't do King.
The forecast
Okay.
for the Cascades of Pierce and Lewis counties today, mostly sunny. A slight chance of rain and snow late in the morning.
Well, that totally beat the bot.
Thunderstorms and a chance of snow showers in the afternoon. A chance of showers late in the afternoon.
Live streaming.